English A. Student Claudia Patricia Cubillos Vaquero. Teacher Cindy Moreno. Famous actor Mónica Andrea Vives Orozco. His name is known as Maia. She is a Colombian singer and songwriter. She is currently 38 years old. She is only daughter. Is a woman, happy, loving, dedicated, patient, natural, fire. Her husband is Alberto Bocio, with 15 years of musical career, Latin Grammy nomination and awards. TV shows: The Voice Colombia, Track, MasterChef Celebrity, It's Us of Me. Popular songs: Pretty Girl, Nigeria, Tony Dar's Party, A Kiss from His Mom, Summer Party. Loose changes: The color of her hair, her cut, some tattoos, her clothes, her makeup. One of his great hobbies are his dogs. He loves to read, he likes to surf, he likes to exercise and take care of his skin. She has a fall in her music career due to economic problems that left her to take bad roads, parties, locker, depression, long lines. Today she's happy with her family, successful in her career and giving her best to fulfill her dreams. Thank you very much attention. Bye.